First impressions, I don't like Phuket. I've only been here a few hours, but I just don't like the vibe here. Every other shop is either a weed shop or a massage place with women sitting in front of it. Like that one. I think they're women. And this parrot ended up shitting on my shirt. The beach looks very nice. What a view. So I just stumbled across a night mountain. So I just got to Phuket airport. It was really nice landing here. You can see the beach literally as you land. I was looking at taxis to get to my accommodation and it was literally like 800 baht. That's like 17 pounds, which isn't too bad. For Thailand, that's quite expensive. And so I just followed the signs to public transport and I came across these buses. They're called the Phuket Smart Buses and it literally costs just 100 baht to get to Patong. It also goes to loads of different locations and these are the different times that it leaves. But the one in front of it leaves a lot quicker, the P3. This is the best that I ended up paying for. It's literally the cheapest way to get to your accommodation and it cost me, what, just over £2. Thank you. Yeah, like there's AC in here. I did read the reviews and some people said that it kept stopping everywhere along the way and ended up taking them twice as long to get there. Yeah, let's see if it actually takes long. The bus just dropped us off here and it literally took an hour, exactly an hour.
Where are you from?
London.
London?
Yeah, I spent like 3 weeks in Thailand so far. I was in Chiang Mai, then in Bangkok. Look at this, I got a new friend. Do you want to go on this one? Oh, he's so cute. What kind of a parrot is he?
San Condor.
He's so cute. Oh my god, I've never held a parrot before. Oh, yeah, go back to your cage. Coffee.
No, it needs you.
Oh, he doesn't want to go back in. Don't bite my nail now.
Yeah, you love very much.
I'm taking him back to London, okay?
Okay.
The owner was like, go ahead and take him to your room. And I'm on the 5th floor. I'm literally on the 5th floor. So I came all the way up. I'm sweating like a pig. And this parrot ended up shitting on my shirt. And then he started eating it. Yeah, that is a good start to Phuket. It is hot. Now, it was hot in Chiang Mai and in Bangkok as well. But Phuket heat is different. It's the humidity. Like, I am sweating so much. I've been in Thailand for 3 weeks and I haven't sweated this much. Come on, Coco. But the good thing is, there's a beach here. So you can always go for a swim when it gets too hot. Okay, finally managed to get him off my shoulder. How much is it to hire a bike?
Bike, yeah?
This one, the small one.
This one, one day. 250 baht.
250 baht for 1 day.
Yeah.
You teach me how to ride.
You ride, you? No?
No.
Wow.
First time. The guy started laughing when I told him I don't know how to. I've never ridden it before. So do you provide training? I actually don't like the fact that there are so many massage places here and they have women, I think they're women anyway, just sitting in front trying to attract people. See, I've been in Chiang Mai and Bangkok and like, obviously Thailand has a reputation and I can see it's more obvious here. Or maybe that's just because there are more tourists here. Everywhere you look, tourists, weed shops, massage places. I don't like it. First impressions, I don't like Phuket. I've only been here a few hours, but I just don't like the vibe here. Like, all I'm seeing is tourists. The heat is so much worse because of the humidity. I'm seeing all these massage places with women in front trying to attract people in. Every other shop is either a weed shop or a massage place with women sitting in front of it. Like that one. And again, I think they're women. But the good thing is, I've just come here to do a lot of day tours. So I'm not going to be in Phuket. I'm going to be out on the boats, exploring all the different islands. I'm seeing a currency exchange place. It looks very dodgy, but I'm gonna see what their rates are. British pounds is 43, which is not bad. What's the current rate? That's not a bad rate. It's the first place I've seen, so I'm gonna shop around and see if I can get a better rate. But yeah, 43 is not bad. What the hell happened to this? There's a lot of Russian writing. I think there's a lot of Russian tourists here. It costs £34 to do jet ski for 30 minutes, which is like ridiculously expensive for Thailand. I leave for now, thank you. That's literally how much you'll pay in Europe. Oh, the beach looks very nice. Just white sand, clear white sand. Oh, the sunset is going to be so good. Look at this. I think I'm going to sit down and do a time lapse of the sunset. Nah, thank you. Everyone's offering jet skis, but I'm not paying £35 for half an hour of jet ski. I've done jet skis like so many times. Jet skis, just a jet ski. I'm just gonna walk along the beach, get to the other side, see what's around here. Definitely not doing that, not in Thailand. Parasailing. Okay, brother. You in charge of the seats? How much for a seat?
100 baht for one chair.
What about the big chairs? 100 baht.
This one, brother. You want jet ski?
No, not jet ski, but how much is it? 1,500. I think jet ski prices are basically the same everywhere, because I've seen a few places now, and it's all the same. It's all like 1,500 baht. Let's go in the water and see if it's cold. Oh, that is the warmest water I've ever put my feet in. I'm about to find out if my GoPro is in fact waterproof or not. Wow. What a view. Phuket, Patong Beach. And let's see if my GoPro is waterproof. Yep, it works. How much? 1,500. I have no money. No money. Yeah, just tell them you don't have money, then you're useless to them. There are a lot of jet skis on this beach. Obviously they're making a lot of money from it. I've done jet skis in so many different countries. I've done the parasailing as well, and that's the one thing that I'm probably never going to do again, because I've seen there was this lady in Florida that was doing it, and a storm started while she was on the parachute, and they ended up cutting the wire, and she died. She drifted away in the wind, hit a bridge. This view is insane. I really like beaches that have a mountain backdrop, especially when it's green like this and you've got white sand. I have to say the vibe on the beach is way better than in the city.
Sorry.
There's a a volleyball game going on in the background. Pretty chilled. I like the beach. I probably won't have much time to explore it because I'm doing a lot of day tours. So I just stumbled across a night market here in Phuket, and I've seen something very interesting. Shark. I think it's a lemon shark. It's yours. Can you show me the teeth? I don't want to touch. You don't want to touch too. That is disgusting. Stinks. Everyone here is like trying to hustle and get you to buy it from their station. It wasn't like this in Chiang Mai or Bangkok. Everyone here is a tourist. I don't see a single local. And everything's more expensive. This is a coconut ice cream. I might come back and explore this at another time, but right now I just don't have the energy. Oh my god, it's a turtle.